Mahilig po akong manood na K-drama po. Kasama din po si mama at nagbabasa din po ng mga comics.
Pagalitan ko siya kasi nahuli ko siya nagsiselfone habang nakahiga. So akala ko...
Paborito ko pong ginagawa ay nagsusunod.
Sa amin naman pong mga magulang, ang kasiyahan lang naman namin ay simple lang yung palaki namin yung mga anak namin ng tama.
Namiss ko kasi mama.
Nagba-volleyball din po ako.
Nag-scroll lang siya, imbes na tumayo na para tumulong sa akin. Ayun pala, dahil nga online sila, nag-start na pala yung Zoom nila, naka-off cam lang.
Yung mapasunod namin sila ng maayos, yung makita namin gumaganda yung buhay nila na pamamagitan ng pagpatnubay namin.
While caring for a child holds many joys and rewards, it is also challenging. Parenting can take a toll on parents or caregivers, especially if compounded with pressures such as poverty, marital problems, or health issues. More than half of the world's children experience violence. In the Philippines, a study sponsored in 2015 by UNICEF and the Council for the Welfare of Children reported that about 80% of youth experience psychological violence and 66% experience physical violence before the age of 18. Majority of the violence occurs in the home. The experience of harsh parenting is associated with behavior and emotional problems, increased likelihood of substance use and other risky behaviors in adolescents, and even chronic diseases. Preventing violence against children and its negative effects therefore begins with supporting parents so they can more effectively care for their children. In partnership with researchers from the Universities of Oxford and Cape Town, Dr. Lian Peña Alampay of Parenting for Lifelong Health Philippines led the development of the Masayang Pamilya para sa Batang Pilipino program. Patterned from the Sinubuyo program implemented in South Africa, the Masayang Pamilya program promotes playful and positive parenting for Filipino families.
Masayang Pamilya para sa Batang Pilipino program, or MAPA for short, is an evidence-based parent support intervention. We aim to strengthen the relationship between caregivers and their children and prevent child maltreatment. We teach parents effective skills to manage challenging child behavior using effective and non-violent ways. We support parents so that they could enhance their well-being, decrease the stresses that are often felt by parents, and we also aim to reduce difficult child behaviors.
Doon pa lang, naalala ko yung natutunan ko sa mapa na kausapin siya, tanungin ko muna kung anong ginagawa niya. Imbis na magalit ka agad, mas maganda talaga na kalma, tapos kausapin mo siya. Yun nga, nalaman ko na nagkamali ako. Yun pa, yung pag-share ng problema sa bahay, saka yung isasama sa mga kung paano namin masusolusyonan ba.
All MAPA programs are guided by the framework represented by the Masayang Tahanan. The walls signify behaviors that promote positive parent-child relationships, such as modules on one-on-one time and talking about feelings. These form the foundation of the happy home. The roof represents modules on effective non-violent strategies to manage challenging child behaviors, such as using redirection and consequences. If the foundation of the positive parent-child relationship is strong, then the roof is well supported.
We really do our best to adapt the program to the needs of the families in the community or in the particular context or setting where we're implementing MAPA.
MAPA Kids is for families with children 2 to 9 years old. MAPA Teens is for parents and their teenage children. MAPA Chat is delivered via digital chat groups such as Viber. MAPA has also been conducted in residential care facilities and integrated in the family development sessions of the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program.
I believe in the program and I know it's doable. It's an intervention in a prevention program. So I think this really will help the families here in Valenzuela. My decision, sabi ko, I think I really have to implement this.
During that time. So very helpful yun na given na pandemic, medyo stressful yun para sa mga parents. And kumbaga, nandito pa din si MAPA Chat to help them, to aid them kung paano ba dapat palakihin in a positive way yung mga anak nila.
MAPA has been able to reach countless parents and communities thanks to the collaborations and partnerships it has forged over the years. During the pandemic, MAPA was disseminated to the 4 million beneficiaries of the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program with the collaboration of the Department of Social Welfare and Development.
Opo, madali siyang maunawaan kasi may module naman na sila na binibigay na in case na may makalimutan ka doon sa session na inatinan mo, pwede mo siyang balikan.
Ini-encourage ka niya na magsalita, maki-join doon sa role-playing. I-analyze namin kung ano yung natutunan doon sa role-playing, iisa-isahin namin. Doon namin malalaman kung ano yung mga dapat namin gawin.
A key strength of MAPA is that it is evidence-based, meaning its effectiveness is measured and the program continuously improved.
We do this by collecting quantitative and qualitative data from program participants, facilitators, and supervisors through surveys, interviews, process observations, and focus group discussions. Our results show that program participants, facilitators, and supervisors find MAPA useful and relevant to Filipino family life. We also have evidence to show that our programs do not harm families. In fact, in our trials of the in-person version of the program and the chat version of our program, MAPA families reported significant reductions in child maltreatment, parenting stress, depressive symptoms, and problematic child behaviors. MAPA families also reported significant improvements in playful parenting practices and parenting efficacy. Finally, in our trial of the teen version of the program, adolescents who were assigned to MAPA reported significant reductions in depressive symptoms.
Marunong na silang magtanong, lumalapit sila kung may kailangan. Kasi hindi lahat ng bata nag-open eh. Pero kung uumpisan nga natin to katulad nung unang session, yung one-on-one, mas madali na yung communication namin kasi nga marunong na silang i-express yung sarili nila.
Salamat din ma kasi dahil sumali ka sa MAPA, parang mas nagkakilala pa tayong dalawa tapos mas maging close pa tayo, like super napalapit tayong dalawa tapos nagkakaintindihan na tayo palagi.
Alongside the data, the voices of the end users are testament to the positive effects of MAPA. Thus, the need for more Filipino families to have access to and benefit from the program.
And what that also means is that it's a good investment. So for communities and local government partners who are needing to support parents in their community, MAPA is a good approach because we have data, we have evidence that shows that it is helpful to families.
In becoming a separate legal entity, we're able to address this demand and we can actually work with various groups and institutions. We're able to expand our networks and we are able to reach more Filipino families in different contexts. So we can provide a masayang pamilya to every Filipino child. So I hope for MAPA program to become a common household name. Like nagmapa na kami or tatak mapa to or mapa kami. They say this with a certain level of confidence and a certain level of pride, and it boosts their confidence as parents. We hope MAPA Inc. to become a hub for parenting intervention programs. So it's not just for the Masayang Pamilya parenting program, but also for other parenting intervention programs of different organizations with the same advocacy of promoting evidence-based parenting programs so that we can create a safe environment and healthy space for Filipino children.
Iban sa maging financially stable, siguro po maging responsible na anak kila mama, tsaka sa society po natin.
Ako po, ang palaki ko, magtrabaho po, kagat ng huwangin po. Saka nakatulong sa mga pamilya. Ako pong paglaki ay maging teacher. Ako po maging piloto.